I tried SogoTrade app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. I spent a full week exploring the SogoTrade app, and the results were eye-opening. Known for its commission-free trades and global market access, SogoTrade promises simplicity, but does it deliver the features serious traders need? Setting up the account was surprisingly quick. I linked my bank, completed identity verification, and was ready to trade within an hour. Most people get this wrong by expecting an overly complicated sign-up, but SogoTrade keeps it clean and fast. During the week, I executed trades in stocks, ETFs, and options. The app's interface is sleek, but the real standout is the options trading platform. You can view chains, expirations, and strategies without feeling overwhelmed. However, the shocking truth is that some advanced options features like spreads and multi-leg strategies are still limited compared to traditional brokers. Another positive surprise was the research tools. SogoTrade provides market news, analyst ratings, and earnings reports directly in the app. This makes it easy to make informed trades without jumping between multiple platforms. That said, live market alerts were sometimes delayed during peak hours, which could be a deal breaker for active traders. I also tested their customer support. The live chat responded within minutes, and email support was helpful with clear explanations. For beginners, this makes navigating options and stock trades less intimidating. In conclusion, the SogoTrade app is a solid platform for beginner to intermediate traders looking for commission-free trades and a user-friendly interface. It's ideal for casual investors and those learning options trading. However, active traders or professionals seeking advanced strategies may find the platform lacking in some areas. Approach it as a learning and trading tool, but don't expect it to replace a full-service brokerage just yet.